Today we're taking a look at this, the Bibowa disc lock shock sensor. This is for bicycles, for motorcycles. Here's the packaging. So it shows you how to replace the batteries. And it comes with a tool for opening this. It also comes with replacement batteries, a case, a cable for if your bike does not have the slotted or disc brakes, 3 keys, a thank you card, and the alarm. So this is actually pretty cool. It uses a movement sensor. It has an alarm on it. It's waterproof, and you push it down to engage it. So you can go like this. If you have pins on your vehicle, go like this, and you line it up, and it pops in like that. And if anyone tries to move your bike, you get a warning, and then it goes off. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.